Let's take up different examples which belong to these crystal systems. First, cubic. Simple cubic, we have lead, mercury, silver, gold, copper, diamond, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, zinc sulfide, cuprous oxide, calcium fluoride, and alums. Second, tetragonal system is with SnO2, TiO2, titanium dioxide, nickel sulfate, ZrSiO4, PbWO4, and white tin. Orthorhombic system belongs to potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, lead carbonate, barium sulfate, rhombic sulfur, Epsom salt, MgSO4 into 7H2O. Rhombohedral system examples are sodium nitrate, calcium sulfate, calcite, iodine chloride, quartz, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Hexagonal system, zinc oxide, lead iodide, cadmium sulfide, mercuric sulfide, graphite, ice, beryl, magnesium, zinc, and cadmium. Monoclinic system, sodium sulfate into 10H2O, it is called Glover salt. Borax, Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. Gypsum, CaSO4 into 2H2O, and monoclinic sulfur. Triclinic, blue vitriol, that is CuSO4 into 5H2O, potassium dichromate, and boric acid H3BO3. Mathematical analysis of cubic system, that is types and analysis. Z is called rank of unit cell. And simple cubic, Z is 1 for body centered cubic ionic solid, whereas Z is equal to 2 for body centered cubic element. Z is equal to 4 for face centered cubic element as well as ionic solid. Now Z is defined as number of atoms per unit cell in the crystal system. Atomic radius. Atomic radius is half of the distance between the center of nuclei of two covalently bonded atoms. These green color balls are representing two atoms, and there is nucleus, the line joining the nucleus. So half of this distance is called radius. Coordination number. Coordination number is defined as number of spheres or particles surrounding a central sphere or central particle. Now we find out density of lattice matter. How to find out density of lattice matter? Density is defined as the ratio of mass per unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell. Density of lattice matter means mass per unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. This will be Z into atomic weight. Z is rank of unit cell, that is number of atoms per unit cell, which will be multiplied by atomic weight divided by N. N is Avogadro's number, 6.023 into 10 power 23 into volume of unit cell. Z is number of atoms per unit cell and N is Avogadro's number. Packing fraction. It is defined as the ratio of volume of unit cell that is occupied by all the spheres of the unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. For example, packing fraction is equal to volume of all the atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. If any cell contains x number of atoms, so we'll multiply x with 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere divided by volume of unit cell. Unit cell is a cube, so its volume will be a cube. So x is number of atoms in the unit cell. In simple cubic, A is equal to 2r and packing fraction will be equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why? Because Z is 1 in simple cubic and it will be divided by A cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, A we are substituting equal to 2r and whole cube. If you solve it, we get pi by 6. Pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 6, that is 22 by 42. On simplification, it comes out to be 11 by 21, which is equal to 0.52. It means packing fraction of simple cubic is 0.52, or volume occupied or packing efficiency of simple cubic is 52% and 48% is the free space. So this was in simple cubic cell whose diagram has been shown. Now we are taking body centered cubic. In body centered cubic, 4r is equal to root 3a. 4r is the body diagonal. body diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3a, and it has one full sphere and radius of another sphere and radius of the third sphere. So total becomes r plus 2r plus r 4r, which is equal to root 3a, because body diagonal is equal to root 3a. Packing fraction will be equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, because z is equal to 2 for body centered cubic element, divided by a cube. This comes out to be 8 by 3 pi r cube. A we are substituting equal to 4 divided by root 3 whole cube. On simplification, we will get root 3 pi by 8. Root 3 is 1.732 multiplied by 22 divided by 8 into 7. It comes out to be 0.68. So in body centered cubic, packing fraction is 0.68, or packing efficiency is 68%. Free space is 32%.